How to find notifications settings in WhatsApp. Hello guys, if you want to find notifications settings on WhatsApp, first step, click your app WhatsApp and click your app WhatsApp and click this option, more options, and click settings. Scroll down and click notifications. Here you can find notifications settings. So don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.